I'm super excited to be here with you this morning, and I'm honored and privileged, truly honored and privileged to welcome you all to this pivotal workshop where we aim to create a national AI strategy, not just for technology, but to transform our society and economy. AI has a transformational power, but the power is not without limits. Therefore, our vision for this strategy is clear. It is to harness the power of AI to drive value from it, while harnessing its potentials and avoiding its perils. As we all know, every technology is a double-edged sword. It has its own promises and pitfalls. So the unique about this approach is today we gather here not just to discuss, but to actively shape the strategy through co-creative process. The approach is fundamental because it will help us to use our diverse insights and expertise to create a strategy that is inclusive and also reflecting our national consensus. So for me, when we look at this AI, it is not just strategy for AI, but we need to develop a strategy with AI. What I mean, AI is beyond just looking at it as a technology, but it is a transformational technology that we can apply across our critical sectors to boost economy. So looking at this strategy, we can, if we get it right, it is something that will help us to make significant advances towards achieving Mr. President's priority areas. The President has set 8 priority areas. Firstly, to transform economy. We can use AI to develop economic diversification strategy with AI in mind. According to a World Economic Forum, AI will add 15.7 trillion US dollars to the global GDP by 2030. And also according to McKinsey, just Gen AI can add between 2.6 to 4.4 trillion US dollars to our global economy annually. So we can design our economic diversification strategy with AI in mind. And also the President wants us to strengthen national security. We all know the role AI can play when it comes to national security. So we can design our national security strategy with AI in mind, how we can gather data, make sense out of it, and get intelligence for our national security. The President wants us to boost agriculture to achieve food security. We can design this strategy as well with AI in mind. We know AI can increase productivity in agriculture. There are startups talking about even using AI to grow meat from stem cell. So with all this, we can boost our agriculture and achieve food security. Also, the President wants us to unlock energy and transportation. So AI can help us. We've seen how AI revolutionized transportation in the area of providing transportation as a service, the way Uber is doing and other startups. So we can design a strategy in that as well to unlock energy and transportation using AI. The President also wants us to have a focus on health, education, and so on. Just last month, we had the first xeno kidney transplantation in the world, where the Massachusetts hospital use gene editing technology powered by AI to edit pig kidney and transplant it on humans. This is the power of AI. We can also use it in Nigeria to design our health strategy with AI in mind. So you can see AI is a cross-cutting technology, and it's a generic technology that can be applied everywhere. So our goal is to have a strategy with AI just beyond strategy for AI. So finally, I want to welcome you once again, and also want to remind you our success depends on our ability to work together across governments, academia, industry, and civil society. You all bring unique perspectives to this strategy that can help us to craft not just an innovative strategy, but strategy that can be practical and implementable. So as we proceed to today's session, I encourage you all to engage openly, to share your insights, as well as to contribute to this strategy that will not only drive technological innovation, but it will lay a foundation for a prosperous nation for all Nigerians. Thank you all.